Hey guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to do this springtime freehand and nail dot design. So I already painted my nails with white polish, and I'm going to apply a pink, a blue, as you can see this blue, and a peach in a wavy line in this design. Now I wanted to do something really easy and simple, perfect for springtime. These are like such pretty springtime colors, and I wanted to do something, like I said, really simple and easy for anyone to recreate. You can use any colors that you want. You can use brighter colors or whatnot. This is just a fun, easy design. Now, in the white, I was going to leave it plain. I was just going to paint it and say this was a freehand design, really simple and easy, but I love my dots and I just couldn't live without it. So I just added some dots of the colors that I already used in the white. I thought this really gave it such a cute color. This is a really pretty nail design for spring, or it kind of gave me a baby shower vibe. I don't know why. It just gave me something about babies. I don't know. I was going to leave it plain, but then I just added some white dots in the design. I think I kind of went a little dot crazy, but I did like the look of it. Now, you don't have to add all the dots. You don't have to add the dots in the color portion of the nails. It's just my personal preference of my love for dots. And once I was done, I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope I made this video really easy and simple to follow. Here's the finished look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates on when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.